Year 9 maths test. Starting with the easy ones. Well, easier. 7 eggs plus 2 yogurts. Take away 3 eggs plus 4 yogurts. Hold on. So, okay, we've got to add 7 eggs and then take away 3 eggs. So that's going to be 4 eggs. Okay. And then the next thing we've got to do is add 2 yogurts and add 4 yogurts. So that's 6 yogurts. 4 eggs plus 6 yogurts. No, okay. Factorise. 10 eggs minus 15. Okay. So the biggest number that goes into 10 and 15 is 5. Okay, and 5 is the only thing we can bring out the front. 5 times 2x equals 10x, and 5 times 3 gives me the 15, and it needs a minus in between. Cool. Solve. 5 peanuts equals the same cost as 3 peanuts and 8 euros. Okay, so I'm gonna eat 2 of the peanuts from here. No, 3 of them. And eat 3 of the peanuts from here to keep the equals equal. So that leaves me left with 2 peanuts equals 8. So peanut equals 4. Peanuts are 4 each. Excellent. Ba-ching. Next one down. Hold on. Moving off the table. Expand. X times x and x times minus 4. X times x is called x squared. X times 4 is 4x, but it was minus. Ching. Expand and simplify this expression. I'm moving things up. Okay, 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 5 is 20. And then I've got the minus 2x still going on. So 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 5 is 20, yes. 4 eggs, take away 2 eggs. And this just leaves me 2 eggs. And 20 euros. That's better. Solve. 7 times f minus 5 equals 28. 7 times f is 7f. 7 times 5 is 35. There's my equal still working with the 28. But that was minus 5, so it's minus 35. Make sure that f looks better. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is the opposite of minus 35 is add 35 to both sides to keep the equals working. 35 take away 35 just leaves me with the 7f over here. Oh, hit the camera. That's going to be 50. That's 63. Divide by 7. Divide by 7. Every fungigor equals 9 euros. Tick. Okay, going over here. Okay, what have we got? Minus 3 times t plus 4, and then add 7. Minus 3 times t is minus 3t. Minus 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. But it's minus 3. No, this is minus 12. And then I've still got the add 7t. And then I can simplify. Okay. So 7t take away 3t is 4t minus 12. There's no equals, so I can't solve it. Oh, this one I can solve. It's got an equals. Okay, so the opposite of divide by 4 is times 4. So I'm going to times 4 on the left and times 4 on the right. 12 times 4 is well-known 48. And 3/4 times 4 just leaves me with 3 of these y things. Because divide by 4 and times by 4, they cancel each other out. They do each other in. Now I've got to divide by 3 both sides here. And so I end up with y equals 48 divided by 3. It's definitely 10. Then 18 divided by 3 is going to be 6. 16. 6. 18 divided by 3. Yeah, 6. 16 times 3 equals 30 plus 3 times 6. 3 6s are 18. That's 48. It does work. Okay, here we go. Next one. Solve. X divided by 2 minus 3 equals 4. Now, the first thing I have to do is do the things, plus 3, that are furthest away from the x first. And so x over 2 plus 3, because the opposite of minus 3 is plus 3. So that's going to be 7. The minus 3 and the plus 3 zap one another. They cancel. Cool. Next thing I have to do, opposite divided by 2 is times by 2. 7 times 2 is 14. The divide by 2 and the times by 2, they cancel each other out. X equals 14, and we can check it. 14, half of 14, 7. 7 take away 3 does equal 4. It works. It checks out. Next one down here. This is the draft exam that I made for my year 9s. Simplify the following by collecting like terms together. Okay, there's 3x squareds and 12x squareds. 3 and 12 is 15x squared. We've got plus 4x's and minus 5x's, which will leave me with just minus 1x. And we usually leave the 1 out. So 15x squared minus x. Good answer. Ching. Expand both brackets and simplify the expression. So 4 times x, 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is definitely 12. And 4 times x is 4x. And there's a plus between them. Cool. 2 times x and 2 times minus 2. Okay. So that's 2x. 2 times 2 is 4, but there's a minus there. Okay. Now we've got to simplify. 4 eggs and 2 eggs equals 6 eggs. 12 take away 4. 12 take away 8 plus 8. Gee, turn over page. There we go. Oh, a bit of angles. There we go. Okay, so angles of a triangle add up to 180, and there's 90. So this is 180, take away 90, take away 53. 180 is what a whole triangle adds up to degrees. Minus 90, minus 53. Okay, so that's going to be 180 minus 90 is 90. 90 minus 53 is going to be 37 degrees. Ting. Okay. This is an isosceles triangle because it's got this mark and this mark means those two are the same, which if the two sides are the same on an isosceles triangle, the two angles are the same. So I've got 180, take away 31, take away 31. So that's 180, take away 62. Okay, so that's 108 degrees. Yeah, it's a big angle, more than 90 degrees. Okay, here we go. D. Oh, A, B, D. Where's C gone? Okay, that's the thing about drafts. 360. Oh, there's C. Okay, that one and that one are both the same. C equals 117 degrees. And this D is complementary with 117. They add up to a straight line there. 180. 180 degrees. It says on your protractor 180 degrees. Take away 117. D equals 180. Take away 117. 63. Okay, here we go. E. The whole circle is 360. Whoa, here we go. Serious now. 360. Take away 40. Take away 20. Take away 30. Take away 130. Take away this 90 degree right angle here. 90 equals. So that's going to leave 230. 230. Now that's going to be 200. 200. Take away those. That's going to be... oh, heck. That one and that one is 230. Take away 30 is 200. 200 take away 90. Oh, that's a 30. 90 and 70 is going to be 40 degrees. Excellent. Phew, for a moment there I thought I wasn't going to get that one. There we go. Price of tickets for a musical was £85. Work out the new price after an increase of 16%. So that will be 85 times by 1.16 equals, doing calculator, write it down and believe. Decrease of 7% is 85 times by decreasing 0.93 equals. Okay, that one also got to be done down below. Write your answers in the comments section. Well, if it works. Okay, divide by 5. The opposite of divide by 5 is times by 5. So we times 5 the top and times 5 the bottom. Oh, no, let's times 5 the left and times 5 the right. That's much better. So we've got this thing times 5 would equal x minus 9. And 5 times 5 is 25. Cool. The opposite of minus 9 is add 9. 34 equals x. Let's check to see if it works. 34, take away 9. 34 take away 9 is 25. Divide by 5 does equal 5. It works, it checks out. Simplify, like ones with equals, you can check them out. Simplify 4 square yogurts times 4 cube yogurts. Oh, okay. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Squared times cube is y to the 5th. Why is it y to the 5th? Squared times y cubed is y times y times, and then 3 of them times y times 3. So there you can see that's why it's y to the 5. Good. Okay, next one down. Okay, Sam takes a loan of £800. Hold on, £800. Oh, no, top one. One pays simple interest each week on a loan of £350. After 4 weeks, she paid a total of £8.40 interest. Work out the weekly rate of interest. Weekly rate of interest. Wow. Okay. So we've got the rate times by 350 equals 8.40. So 350 equals, no, get R on its own. R equals 8.40 divided by 350 times 100. Excellent. Oh, you see that? There we go. Okay, Sam takes a loan of £800. He pays simple interest of £3 per month for 6 months. So that's 8 times 3 over 100 times 6. That will be the amount of interest. Work out the total amount of interest Sam pays. Equals. Paching. Here we go, up here. Okay, 10% of 420 is 42. 1% of 500 is 5 kilograms. Pounds. Okay. 5% of 40, 1% is 0.4. 0.4 is 5 is 2. Because 10% is 4, half of that. Yes. 20% of 120, 10% is 12, so 20% is 24. 24 millilitres. There we go. Work out the size of angles X and Y. Okay, so we've got 360 is the whole circle. Take away 80, take away 121, take away 64, and the answer equals x. God, I'm going to let you guys at home do that one. I need a calculator or more. I can't think about it. Okay, so this is a straight line, so that's 180. 180, take away 110, 111 is going to be a 9 and a 69. Okay, this one is 180, take away 125 is going to be 55 degrees. Okay, and then how big is that angle? That one plus that one plus that one equals 180. So we need 69 plus 55 plus, let's call it A. A equals 180 degrees. So A equals 180. Take away 69, take away 55. Cool, so that, take away that is going to be 111. Yes, take away 55. That's going to leave me with 56. Y equals 56 degrees, and it looks like it is good. Okay, here we go, Ben. Ben wants to buy a new laptop. His local shop sells 2 different laptops. VAT is added, value added tax, for those people in England, is added at a cost of 20% of the laptop original price. The laptop costs $395 before VAT is added. Okay, so I need 10% of 395 equals 39.5. 20% equals double that. Oh, in my head. Okay, double 40 is 80. It's slightly less than 80. It's 79. Yes. What is the total price including VAT? Oh, 79 plus 395 equals 474 pounds. God, that was not very nice. The VAT on a laptop is £99. What's the total price of the laptop including VAT? Laptop B? Skipping the question. I haven't got a laptop B. Okay, here we go. Turning over, done that side. Okay, this one here. Sorry about the juggling. Okay. The scatter diagram shows information about 10 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 student. Each student has got an X. Cool. For each student, it shows the number of hours spent revising and mark the student achieved in a Spanish test. More revising, more marks. Mostly. Apart from this person who spent 4 hours revising, has still only got 10%, but it looks like. Okay, then we go down here. One of the points is an outlier. Write down the coordinates of the outlier. Oh, there's this guy here who was miles off the line of best fit. The coordinates. X before Y, it's 4, 10. For all of the points, draw a line of best fit. Describe the correlation as positive. More revision, more marks. There we go. Here. Okay, it says. Oh, that one. That'll be there. A different student revised for 9 hours. Estimate the marks this student got. Oh, he did 9 hours. Go back to my graph. 9 is slightly less than 10. There's 10. So 9 goes up. Along. Go back 70. There we go, 70. You know, that's what we were predicting. The Spanish test was marked out of 100. Oh, they were percentages. Lucia says, I can see from the graph that had I revised for 18 hours, I would have got full marks. Comment on what Lucia says. No, well, let's have a look. So the straight line keeps going. It kind of says at 18. Okay, I would have said at 16. That's what the graph says. Okay, nope. At 16 hours, get 100%. I mean, chances are it's going to get harder though. There's always like one question no one can do. Here we go, next one. Table shows information about some, apart from the teacher maybe, some teacher items for sale in a clothes shop. Write down the colour of the blouse. Blouse, white. This is just interpreting tables. Write down the size of the cheapest item that is red. Okay, who's red? You're red. You're red. You're red. Do right on the exam. It really helps. Okay, that one's 15. That one's 23. That one's 28. Oh, 15. Oh, that's much easier now. Turning over. Okay. Kate bought the dress and the shirt. Work out the type of dress and the shirt. Okay, dress and the shirt. Okay, so it's dress, which is red, 28, and the shirt, also red, 15. Add them together, 43. 43, what's the currency? Pounds? Oh yeah, pounds. There we go. Turn it back over. What did we say? 43. Okay, here we go. The table shows information about 6 caravans on a holiday park. Okay. Read the question before you read all that stuff. Write down, otherwise you read all this, then you read the question, and then you have to read it all again. Write down the number of caravans that sleeps 6 people or more than 6 people. 6 people or more than 6 people. Oh, that's more than 6. That's 6 people. Oh, 2? 2 caravans. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Write down the names of the caravans with a sea view and a DVD player. Sea view and DVD. Sea view, DVD. Yeah, sea view, DVD. Who's that? Seal. Okay, sea view. Yes, yes, yes. Sea DVD. Yes, that one's a goodie. Puffin. Yeah, very nice puffin song. Sea. Oh, that's it. Okay, here we go. Next one down. Mike wants to hire a caravan that sleeps exactly 4 people. Okay. Work out the difference between the highest weekly hire price and the lowest weekly hire price that he could pay for exactly 4 people. Okay. 4 people. No. 4 people, 4 people. The highest minus the lowest. 4 people. 4 people, 4 people. This is the lowest price. This is the highest price. I've got to find out the difference. 5, 7, 9, minus 4, 4, 9. Oh, 9 minus 9 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. Well, £130. 130. Each caravan has a width of 12 feet. Okay. Next question. Use 1 foot equals 30 centimetres to work out the width of a caravan. And it says 12 feet, 12 times 30 will give me it in centimetres. In metres. And then I've got to turn it into metres afterwards. Okay. 12 times 3 is 36 with a 0. And then I've got to turn that into metres by divide by 100. 3.6 metres. Because centi means 100. Because centipedes have 100 legs, or they should do, if they're named right, which they never actually are. Sophie works, centuries have 100 years, so that one's right. Sophie works in a bed shop. During the last 3 months, she sold 198 beds. 15, oh, always start with the lowest one. Use this information to calculate a two-way time. Okay, 17 of the single beds were sold without a mattress. Single beds without a mattress. Okay, that's the 17. 45 beds were double beds. Okay, total doubles of 45. That's that one done. 59 beds were sold without a mattress. Sold without a mattress. 59. So that plus that. 59 beds were sold without a mattress. Okay, that's there, 59. Okay, 67 of the 83 king-size beds were sold with a mattress. 67 with a mattress. 67, total 83. Okay, and there's my in. I can see I can calculate this one nice and easily. 16. Is that right? 17? Yes. Okay. 17 plus 16 is 33. I need 59, so 26. 10, 20, 30, 40. And then this one should be 19. There's a 0.6. That's a 6 there. Yes, it is. Cool, so that works. Okay, next one. Oh, I can do this. Something plus 26 is 45. Well, it's got to be a 9, isn't it? 19. Yes. Okay, now I can get along. Hold on, where's my next in? Ooh. Hold on, there's another one. During the last 3 months, she sold 198 beds. So now I can work out this one. Okay. So this is going to have a 0. Okay, because that plus that is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12, and I want 19. 70, that is excellent. 70, 153, 198. Yes, it works. Okay, so a number plus 17 is 70. So that's going to be a 3. 53, 60, 70. Yes. And now I can finally work out this number here. 53, 67. 3 and 7 is 10. That's 120, 139. Okay, 139 plus 59. That's, yes, it all works. The double table actually all adds up. The table shows information about the weekly earnings of 20 people who work in a shop. Turnover. Turnover. There you go. How many people was it? 20 people who work in a shop. There's 20 people. 20 people. Oh, it's up there again. Okay. Well done, Lee. Okay. So there's 20 people. 11, 12, 17, 89 to 20. Okay, yeah, it adds up to 20 anyway. Work out the estimate for the mean of the weekly earnings. So I need 1 times 125, halfway between those two. 11 times halfway between those two is 300. 5 times halfway between those two. That's not 125, silly. That's 200. 5 times halfway between those two is 300. 400. 0 times, I don't care about 0. 3 times halfway between those two is 600. Get all those, add them up, and then divide by 20. Cool. And that will give me my estimate. Put it down there. Excellent. Naya says, the mean may not be the best average to use to represent the information. Do you agree with Naida? Yes. The mode is the best way of doing these wages because most people get between there and there. So if you want to find out how much money people have, mode is much more important. Find out whether or not they can afford to go out for a Christmas meal. Here we go. Sophie works in a bed shop. During the last 3 months, she sold 198 beds. Hold on, I've done this one. I've done that one. And I've done that one too. Next. Okay. Right, having easy ones after a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagon. Just like an octopus, it's 8. In the space layer, draw a pentagon. Pent is 5. Make sure it joins up. Here is a heptagon. Okay, let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is a heptagon. All the angles of the heptagon add up to 900 degrees. Work out the size of all the angles. All the internal angles add up to 900. Oh, so I just need to do 900, take away 100, take away 145, take away 160, take away 78, take away 156, take away 140. Once I've done that, I'll get what x is. That looks like it's going to be about 100. Yeah, I can't do that one in my head. And I don't want to sit here while you're doing it. You doing the calculating. Here is a regular pentagon. 1, 10-sided polygon. Decagon. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a decagon. Okay. Write down the math of decagon. Okay, next one. One of the interior angles of this regular polygon is 144. Oh, it's regular, so they're all 144. Because it's regular. Work out the sum of the interior angles of the polygon. Well, that's 144, and there's 10 of them. And equals 1440. Oh, that was easy. There we go. Next one. Okay. A, B, C. A to B to C. And A, B, C. And D, E, F are A, B, C. D, E, F are parallel straight lines. Well, I can see that. ABE is an isosceles triangle. ABE. Isosceles triangle. Yes, I can tell that because it's got those two bits. With AB equals BE. AB equals BE. Yes, I can tell that because it's got those two lines. Anyway, angle CBE. CBE is 142. Yes, CBE is already marked as 142. I can see that. Starts at C, goes to B, and then goes to E. It's that angle there. Yes. Work out the size of angle X. Okay, so I can work out that one because that plus that is 180. 180, take away 142 equals 38. 38 degrees. Now also this one, because it's an isosceles triangle, those two sides are the same length and these two angles are going to be the same. So they add up to 180, so I need 180, take away 38, and then divide that by 2. Okay, 180 take away 38 would be 42. 142 divided by 2 equals 71. 71, add those up, 142, yes, degrees, that's right, 71. I've still got to find x. Okay, so this angle, and that is 142. So this must be 70, because that adds up to 142, which is the same as this. Excellent, 70. Good. It even looks like 70. Perfect. Next one. Go, turning around. Well, next one. There it is. What do I have to do? Oh. Nothing written down. Okay. I felt like I missed something there when I was doing this. The value of x in the triangle shown is... this is Pythagoras. It's 13 squared. Oh, I haven't done Pythagoras. Take away 12 squared is 169. Take away 144 equals x squared. X squared, that's 25, equals x squared. X equals 5. Paching Lango. Okay, here we go. A 6 meter long ladder makes an angle of 25 degrees with the wall. Oh, this is trigonometry, isn't it? the wall. There's the ladder. And there's the wall. And there's the 25 degrees. The distance from the base of the ladder is closest to that. And that's a right angle because walls are always right angles. Oh, so good. Well, I'm glad I didn't give this to my students because they hadn't done this. Oh, okay, whatever. Opposite over hypotenuse. This is 6 meters. So sine 25 degrees equals opposite over hypotenuse. Let's call it x. X over 6. 6 sine 25 degrees will equal my x. And it's going to be, I don't know, about 2. Sort it out. Okay, here we go. I think I figured it out well. Anyway, a simplified form of 7ab plus 2b minus 5. That's the ab's. That's the ab's. No, don't look there. 7 minus 5, that's 2ab's. And then 2b's plus 1b equals 3b's. 2ab plus... Yeah, there it is. Yes. Like I said, don't look at the answers. They make things worse. Here we go. The expanded and simplified form of this is... Okay, don't look at the answers. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 3, 2 times 3 is 6x plus 3 times x is 3x, but there's a minus, so it's minus 3x. Minus times a minus is a plus. 3 times 2 is 6. Right, okay, who's going to simplify? This one's going to simplify with that one. So it's 2x squared plus 3x plus 6. That one. Found it. Okay, here we go. Next one. The fully factorized form of 8xy minus 24y is... Okay, factorized. Don't look at the answers. 8. Because 24 is... it goes to 8. 8 times 1. Okay, I'll get a y out as well. Because they've both got a y and they've both got 8 in them. That's 3 8s of 24 minus 8y times x is 8xy. 8y times 3 is minus 24. Minus 3. Minus 24y. Cool. Right, where's this one? 8y. There it is. Got it. Next one. Now I understand why I had some answers just a minute ago. Minus 5xy, this thing, is equal to... Oh, okay. That's got a 3, that one doesn't have a 3. They both got a 5. Times! Spot the times sign. Minus times a minus is a plus. 3 times 2 is 6. So it's either that one or it's that one. X to the 5 times x to the 5 is x to the 10. It's that one. 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 It is that one. Cool. Okay, next one. Okay, that's not the right one. Next one. Have I done this one? Yes, I've done that one. Okay, last one. The only one I've got left is that one there. Okay, here we go. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E is a regular pentagon. Okay, that's a pentagon. And B, C, F. B, C, F. They're going to just... an E, D. They're straight lines. Got it. Work out the size of angle CFD. CFD. That angle there. That's my X. Work out the size of angle CFD. CFD, yes. Okay, this is a pentagon. It goes round 5 times. So therefore I need this angle here, all the same, is going to be 360 degrees divided by 5, which is 72 degrees. Because divide by 10 is 36, double it. 72 degrees, 72 degrees, 72 degrees. Okay, 72 degrees. Oh, that's 72 degrees. Okay, 72 degrees. 72 degrees. Oh, that's also 72 degrees. Okay, that's 144. They add up to 180. That's 144. 2 times 72 equals. And 180 take away 144 equals 36 degrees. Cool. Yep. Bang. Good luck with your exams, guys. Bye.